hello. Come in. Come in. Come in. Come in. Turn those lights on. Welcome to your drunken room tour. We are on the Royal Caribbean Mariner of the Seas. And we are in room 8263. Took me 4 days to remember that. Still having trouble because there's the story behind it. Anyway, here we are. Now, the cool thing about this is that it overlooks the promenade. Is that a good thing or a bad thing? That depends on you, because we are the ones that go out and do things. Meaning, we're not really here. But if at night you want to sleep and there's a party going down in the promenade, do you hear it? I don't know. I'm going to say probably yes. But we're out there in the party. So I don't know. So anyway, this has been lived in for the last 3 days. 4 days. 3.5 days. Here you have your bed that your steward will make for you when it's time. It's not time right now, so he hasn't made it. Pillows are nice. Pillows are nice. The bed, we had to ask for an extra pillow top, mattress topper, because it is hard. What she said. So, you have this here. You've got your lovely lights, same as you do your reading light. Okay. Listen, this guy is not, I hope he's filming right, because we're only doing this one time. So let's look at the promenade. Just FYI. Couch. Not a couch. Couch. Yeah. Sit in, and it's nice. This. Oh. There's no give on that. So anyway, here you go. So let's look outside into the promenade. Yay. Look at that. See, you're right above the espresso place. That's Playmakers. So we hear a bunch of noise down there sometimes when they're cheering for their favorite teams. Espresso's here. Let's zoom in on that. They need to clean. They need to clean all that. They need to clean the roofs. Okay. All right. So, yeah. Can they see? Probably. You've got other people here. So, yeah, they can see us. Sometime one lady was waving at me. I waved back because, I'm not rude. Anyway, then you've got, look what our guy made us. Isn't that cute? He hung it up here, but it kept hitting us on the head. Let's look at the plugs. Look at the plugs. See the plug? I have a universal remote. Not remote. Universal plug. So I have this guy, and he fits here. Oh, he goes upside down. So yeah, perfect. I guess that's back in the day when they had the telephones. We don't need that. Lights off, on, and these side drawers do open. Yes. Okay, nice little, oh, here's your fridge. I'm a little bummed. I've got 2 days, not even 2 days. Got tonight to finish my Dr. Pepper. So we've got a lot of drinking to do. Mixers. Let's see what else. Oh, he came off. Chair. Nice desk. There's the Kleenex. I have not opened this drawer, but we've been looking for Kleenex. Okay. Now we know. Last day on the cruise. Okay. You got your plugs here. Now, I don't know if this is with all the other promenade views, but you've got this. He comes in. He must have turned that off. No, we did. Okay. Anyway, you have a speaker. And I guess you can turn your announcements off and on, but listen, we have the radio here. See? So that's cool. That's a nice feature. So it keeps us little music at night. You have another mirror here. Yes. That's cool. Your plugs. So you can just have your normal plug right in here and you're fine. What else? Side table. Nice side table. What do I have in here? Nothing good. It's the last day. I gotta make sure. My book for the duration, the trip. Let me show you something very fabulous here. It's this fan. I don't know about you, but it gets so hot, and so I turn my fan on, and I just have it right to me. My partner, Mike, he gets hot. No, he doesn't. He gets cold, so that's why it's only on me. And this feels so good. Also, he snores, so it helps deflect some of that. Sorry, cameraman. Let's see, what else? This particular room here has a connection. So if you have a family, you can be on the other side, and then you have the connecting door. We don't know those people on the other side, and I hope that they like us as much as we like them, because they're fine. See these little magnet things? There was 5 of them laid out for us. I thank whoever left these for us. We've been using them. Anything up on top? Nothing on top. So Mike's got a lot of medicine here. Your TV, hang on. And we did our excursion thing. We asked, because we're old school, we asked for paper schedules, because sometimes we don't like looking inside the thing so much, the app. So here's our days. We're on day 4. So this is what we have right now. So we'll get into the mirror. No, we won't. We'll get into the bathroom later. Here's a mirror. Closet. It's lived in again. Mike had his shoes in the safe. I guess you can leave them there, but if you don't, you have your safe here. I guess he was just looking for, if it's an open shelf, you have an open shelf, so it doesn't matter. There's your safe. There's my water shoes. Shoes for theme nights. That was red night. We're gonna do 80s tonight, so Mike's got his little Back to the Future shoes. Closet. You've got all these extra hangers that I love, and what I also love about them is you could take them off. See, they're not just stuck there. So I love that you can take them off. Clothes for the week. It's pretty good closet space. Shoes down at the floor. All right. Now.
Life jackets are on top.
Oh, life jackets on top. Sorry. Cameraman. Look at that. I wouldn't be able to see that. Let's go into the bathroom. Ah, yeah. Oh. Light. All right. We'll let the cameraman talk about the bathroom.
Why are you talking about the bathroom?
Because you need to do the demonstration in the shower.
What demonstration?
Show how much room you have. In the shower and in the bathroom. So here they give you your normal This is his first time on camera, folks. Yes. Nice shower doors closed all the way. Nothing leaks out. That's perfect. Oh, look, he's gonna really... Let's act like we're showering.
Detachable.
Shh, it's detachable. And I guess I never really paid attention. Let me see that again. Yesterday, I was fiddling with it because I see it says, like, Rain-O massage. Did you know that you could actually swap them?
Not this one.
So, like, hold it. It's got your rain. You turn it. See? You hear it now. So you can't... it's wet now. So yeah, so you've got the different things in the jets. I don't really see a difference between the Rain-O and the Rain, but the massage is just the center one, and it, you know, we've got that for you. We have our own, just miscellaneous stuff. Someone was taking a hot shower. We do not like that. I like this all the way up because it's hot. Oh wait, no, that's cold. Perfect. And there's your Norm. And I could turn this on right now.
Not while I'm in here.
Okay, act like you're showering. How much room we have? Oh, it's pretty tight. It's pretty tight. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, look, he's already he's hitting himself. Yeah, so, I mean, the shower will do. However, you know, it's a tight squeeze. Toilets, Mike said don't flush any hot dogs. They tell you not to flush any hot dogs down the toilet.
Or stormtrooper helmets.
Or stormtrooper helmets.
See, there's the eyes, the nose, there's the mouth part.
Yeah, so please don't flush those down the toilet.
Don't forget to tell them about our salt and pepper shakers.
Yeah, we got salt and pepper shakers here. These open as well.
Just that one.
Okay, and you have this up here. I never use it. I'm scared to. Is it upside down? Yeah. So, shavers only. How did you use it, sir?
Mine's got a battery in it.
Oh, look, see the Kleenex. And I have Kleenex here. That's why I have been using the toilet paper. Okay, there's your bathroom. Here's some drawers. 1, 2, 3, 4 drawers. However, this is occupied with a blow dryer. What's this? Is that to lights? Ooh. Okay. All right. There is your room tour. Hope you enjoyed it. There's 2 hooks right there. Hey, stop. I have a strong hook here, our magnet. So I was putting his backpack on it. He took it off and then just didn't put it back. Oh, now I'm back on. Okay. He took it off and typical, he didn't put it back where it goes. So we have this hanging monkey that our lovely steward made us, and we took it out from this AC vent and put it up here because I don't want to forget my magnet. He hasn't come for the day. Oh, here's another magnet. Ta-da! Okay. So that's your, look at these cute things we got in Cozumel. It's a bag, and it changes color with heat. I can't show you what it is because I don't have a UV light to show you, but just trust me, it changes color. And here's the shirts that I got. And this one was really cool. So we're doing side promotion. So the name of the company is Dolsol. So if you're ever in Mexico, Cozumel, and if you're in Cozumel, check this place out. I thought they were cool. They give you coupons too. So buy 2, you get a bag free. Is it always like that? I don't know. But anyway, here's the back. This changes color. It lights up. I like it. being that we're in Austin, it's always 120 degrees outside. We can always guarantee these changes in the color. So that's his, which I'd probably be stealing. And then mine, he can't steal. He can, but you know, it's gonna be looked at funny. Here's mine. And it's just so pretty. It's so pretty. Okay, that's our shirts. What else did we get in Cozumel? Let me show you what else we got. Since we're in the bag. He got him a nice Luce mask. Oh yeah. How much did you pay for this?
$45.
$45. I can't tell you the companies, but go take care of them. We also got. Oh, we can't show you the bottles because we packed those already. But and these are all wrapped up. But we ended up getting vanilla bottles and
Hot sauce
hot sauce
for my brother. Yeah.
for his brother. All right, that's all we got. That's our. Then we went to a bar and then we got water.
We had margaritas, but then we also needed water.
Yeah. That's all I have. I hope you enjoyed this room tour. It's nice. Sit here, read a book, or just stare at people. They'll stare back. That's all I got. Thank you.
Say bye.
Bye-bye.